A 2-hour television program included 12 minutes of commercials. What percentage of the program was not commercials? Maliwanag. Ayan. A, 94%. B, 90%. C, 88%. Or D, 86%. So, ang tinatanong, anong part daw ng program, what part of the program was not commercial? So, meron tayong 12 minutes dito, no? O, ang 2 hours natin, 2 hours. Ayan. If you can want to convert that into minutes, syempre, i-multiply natin yan sa 60 minutes per hour. Excuse me. Para ma-cancel mo yan, no? Hour, cancel mo yan dyan. So, this is 120 minutes. This is the full 2-hour television program. Ngayon, may 12 minutes tayong commercial. Siyempre, isasubtract natin dyan. 120 minus 12. This is equal to 108. No, 108 minutes. Yan. So, this will become our base. This will become our percentage. Now, we need to solve for the rate. Ano sabi ko pag may percentage? Rate ang sinusolve niyan. And recalling the Tekens triangle, ano ba ang formula natin to compute for the rate? Ito yung rate natin. Ito yung P nasa taas. So, it will be divided by B. No? Divided by B to solve for the rate. So, 108 R is equal to 108 over 120. So, itong 108, I believe, is divisible by 12, no? Divisible by 12. Kung hindi nyo kayang ganun, divide nyo by 2. Divide nyo by 2, divide by 2. Pero alam ko kasi ang 108 is divisible by 12. Kasi 60 ito, di ba? 60 divided by 12 is 5. 108 divided by 12. This is actually 9 times 2 is 18. Carry 1. 9 times 1, 9, 10. 108, no? So this is 9 over 120 divided by 12 is 10. 9 over 10. So madali na lang yan. This is actually equal to 90%. Pero pag hindi mo alam yan, ganyan lang. Hindi pwede. O maglagay ka ng 0 point o 0. 90 divided by 10 is 9. 9 times 10 is 90. So this is 0.9. 0.9 to convert that into percentage form, we multiply that by 100%. So this is equal to 90%. So ang tumpak na sagot sa ating item number 1 is letter B, 90%.